Prabhu, can you hear me?
Yeah. Sorry,
Oh,
yeah.
nice.
Sorry
Okay.
about this delay.
Okay. So let me share the screen.
Hmm.
No, I just connected and I was reading something. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, no worries. Okay.
So I'll just quickly come to the schedule here. We will look at the agenda here would be getting the administrative part of Django up. Okay.
Okay.
So Django administration, Django admin site,
Hmm.
and we look at other administrative tasks. Okay. And
Okay.
then going to creating the DJ to sample app, this one. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So that would be the coverage. Okay. Now to start with, when we uh, yeah, so from the very beginning, like let's say you are in the command prompt, you will first create a project folder. Okay. So this is the way it starts from the command prompt. Okay. Or a recent version, I don't know, this is version 2024. Okay. I will show you. Recent version, I don't know if you got the same version there. Okay. 2024.2.2, what they've done, they've included, when I say new project, they included this Django project, and that's on the professional edition. Okay.
That is mine is 2023.23.2.
But go to file new, like this, the
Okay.
new project menu. This is fairly recent. And they're saying here, get PyCharm professional edition. Okay.
So file new. What do I go? Where do I
New,
go?
when you, the new menu, new project menu.
New. Okay. Then
Wait, I'll
when you click, there is file, directory, Python package. Which
uh,
one should I take?
file new project like this. Okay.
Show me. Maybe I'm missing it. Okay.
Are you seeing, you're seeing my screen, right?
Yeah, I just started.
So
File.
file, I'll show again. File, new
Hmm.
project.
Okay. File, new project. Huh? Okay, got it. Hmm.
So here they have put one Django template.
Okay.
Do
Hmm.
you see that? If
Yeah, I see that.
if I click on it, upgrade to PyCharm Professional. So this is for the professional edition.
Okay.
Okay, so we are, I mean, is this coming up in the,
It's coming up.
okay, so this is through the PyCharm.
Hmm.
Otherwise, what we are seeing here is we start from the command prompt. Okay, so at the command prompt,
Command prompt where I have
command prompt,
installed the.
no, it's just your project location. So if I do CMD, so it starts the command prompt, right? I can go to C
No.
drive.
I know. How do I find out where my project location is? Should I go to
uh,
say new project and there I get C dev Django. So that's
C
the
dev,
place, right?
yeah, C dev Django. Some keep one development location, like I
Yeah.
put info sure dev. So there you can find all the project folders inside it. So
There I go and do what? I should run a command, is it?
let me just complete
Hmm.
one this slide. So then we'll go into that. Okay,
Okay.
so steps are like this. We create a folder name. So in that development, we can give any project name under it. This is DJ Pro, mkdir to make that directory.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then we run Python -m venv. So this will create the virtual environment. Okay. And venv script activate bat. So this will activate that virtual environment. It will put a venv bracket inside it. Okay. This is the name of the virtual environment. Okay. And from inside that folder, okay, after you create, you go into that folder, change directory, pip install Django. So this will pull Django from the open, okay, py.org, and it will install the correct, and it will complete like that. Okay. This is a successful installation.
Okay.
Django installed completely. Okay. So what it does is it gives you a Django at the bottom of my screen here. It gives you a Django admin utility. So Django-admin is a utility for your administrative tasks. Okay. So there, if you do Django admin start project my site dot.
So if I run a install Django, it's going to create the admin start project, is it?
It will complete. It will come back to the command prompt. Okay. Now what has happened is
now you are running it. Okay, you're running this command, admin project. Okay.
Yeah. So this Django installation installs the Django package. Okay. Much like inside a project we have this one, no? So if I
understand,
go to, it will put the Python library, Python module there. Okay. Then it also gives Django admin utility. This executable is available after the installation.
got
So
it. Okay.
Django-admin, the syntax to create this my site, no? My site is that Django development's website. Okay. So Django admin start project my site dot. Dot means current. So after that installation is over. Okay. So yeah, this is a command. Django admin is a command line tool that helps you to manage tasks. Okay. So start project my site. So my site will just get installed like a project only. Okay. So that's going to contain what we saw that. No? It contains the this one, my site. Okay. It contains all these files, the settings.py, urls.py, whiskey, the whiskey itself, and all that. Okay. So this is another file, but these files are standard. What matters for project as a developer is settings and urls.py. Settings will come with this, right? Templates and database and all that. urls.py is the routes. Okay. The routes from.
So first you create a project directory, and inside that you run the Django pip, correct? To get all this.
Django utility called Django admin.
Okay.
Okay. With these options, start project, my site, and all. Okay. When you run that, it will create this subfolder inside your project, and these standard files will come out there. Okay. So it lays down these files like settings.py, urls.py, like this. Okay. So that is going to give you the admin site. We saw, no, when we logged in, admin and all that, right? So we put up that project. It treats this as a admin site or my site project. Okay. Okay. So then the databases you can configure. Okay. Here is SQLite as default database. For production, you can use Postgres. Again, this is Heroku is a cloud-based platform. Okay. So you can choose any of the, but academic.
When you say cloud-based, what does it mean, Aji? Cloud-based means what?
No. The Heroku is a cloud-based platform. It's a platform on the cloud. Means it gives you the complete machine remote.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. Heroku is a provider of the cloud.
Mm-hmm.
So you might
Like Google, like GCP
Amazon,
or Azure.
same. So for a long time, Heroku kept some developers like a community on the cloud. So if you are doing some academic work and
Mm.
needed cloud, Heroku is providing that platform for free. But around 2022, they just pulled that option away, and then they made it. So any provider initially gives some freebie or a
Mm.
duration of time. After
Yeah.
some time, they'll say subscription and all that, right? So
Yeah.
Heroku
Yeah.
gave that platform, okay, and you could host your application there.
Mm-hmm.
That's so if I am doing a sample testing, and I need to test a login logout functionality, okay.
Mm. Mm.
It's a small app. It just simulates, right?
Got it. Mm.
Simulates with a username, password. You click the login button, you go in. So it has to take you to a real logged in application. No? So somebody put like a testing app in Heroku. So anybody could use it for free, like that.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Okay.
So so Heroku mostly is hosting your. It's a hosting platform. It's just a platform. uh, I mean, in cloud provider, basically like Amazon EC2 and all that, yeah,
Mm.
or GCP, but these are
Got it.
the platforms. Okay.
Okay.
Once you want to run the application, all
Mm.
the time it's Python manage.py. Now, manage.py is a utility along with it. It's a file which gets created under the project folder. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Uh, so this DJ Pro is a Django project. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
Python manage.py run server. This is a standard utility command to start the Django project. Okay. It'll
Mm.
start the development server here. It will
Mm-hmm.
run in localhost 8000.
Mm.
Okay. So this is when you want to run the project. Okay.
Mm.
You run this, and then the default web server, everything is packed here. So it's a development server just
Mm.
for the developer, and it hosts that application what you're trying in the 8000. Since
Mm-hmm.
there is nothing here at the moment, it's just my site. This
Mm.
will create, I'll go in localhost 8000.
Mm.
Okay, it'll show up this page. This is a standard page.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Uh, so this just telling a message, yeah, your installation works successfully. Your development server is up and running.
Mm-hmm.
It's some in that page they put some documentation, a sample polling app as a tutorial,
Mm.
and a community of Django developers are available. Okay.
Mm.
So this is the default development server running.
Mm. Mm.
Okay. Uh, See, you see some migrations unapplied. This might come, but you can ignore that message.
Mm.
Okay. And state loader, state reloader is the way it loads all the package.
When you say a development server, I have not even a line of code there. When you
Uh,
say it started running, what does it mean? It can uh,
uh,
means it can take any client side inputs. Assuming that though there is no code, it can technically take any client side. Like I go to go to a client and
mm,
say local host, go to 8080, please go there.
mm,
That
mm.
means it is ready to take any commands from there, right? That's what it means. Any
It's
clicks
ready to, yeah, it is a website. It's a website and the web server is running. So what we
running.
is there is a web Django development server running,
Mm,
and this my site, okay, my site is
mm,
actually having
a folder.
this is the one which starts there.
Mm. Oh, okay.
This
The
has
skeleton it has started. That's what you are saying.
right.
Mm,
So that's what we did with this command, my site. So it starts that your admin site. Okay.
Okay.
Now, on this site, let's we had to do two standard commands.
Mm.
Python manage py. Now this
Mm.
manage.py utility takes couple of different options. Okay, we saw run server earlier to run the server. Manage py
Mm.
make migrations and manage py migrate. What it does is it will apply all these modules of that admin site into the user, the groups, and all that. It will apply onto that specific site.
Mm.
Okay. So anytime when you build the Django project, you'll have to run this once. Okay.
Okay.
So what it does some admin level activities like that. Okay. So you can
Migrations mean migration from where? Any
it's
any
making
logical?
it's
Mm.
typically making that um, project that's from the component packages or individual admin modules and authentication modules and all that. It is
Mhm.
making a final um, deployment. It's like a package.
Okay.
Okay. So these are standard commands and it is to be run. Okay.
I think you have told this before also, right? I think
Correct,
in the
correct.
first
I
class.
did.
Mm.
What it does is it just makes the initial. You see, admin 001 initial, some default things. Okay. Now, after you make some modifications to your project,
Mm.
again, you'll have to run these things. Suppose you added one additional column to your model.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
or
Mm.
some additional field to the view, made such changes, you'll have to run these make migrations, then it will update that in the backend.
Mm.
Suppose you added to the database the user's age, something like that. Okay.
Mm.
So then the model changed, right? So then you'll have to run this again. So then you'll see an
Mm.
alteration of that, like this alter, you'll see that. So then what it is, Django is updating the model.
Mm.
So it's like if you build any application, the make
Mm.
or the deployment is one packaging, right? You
Mm. Mm.
package and then it deploys. That's what this make is. Make migrations and migrate is.
Mm. Okay.
So they always have to be run, both of them together, one after the other. Okay. So that
Mm. So
managed
all this is you are doing on the dev server, basically, correct?
on the dev server. Correct. Right.
Okay.
Now, to the admin side, we are still to bring in some super user login. Okay,
Mm.
so admin manage Python manage py create super user.
Mm.
So then it will ask, okay, what is the user super user name? Admin
Mm.
email address. You can just give an email address. Okay,
Mm.
and password. This where you can say admin or whatever password you wish to do. And then
Mm.
bypass password validation, no, all that. And this creates a super user login.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So with that
This is
login,
what like a root login, is it? This is like a root login, basically.
Django administrators login. So
So you're
that's
creating a login from which login? So you're creating an admin login from something superior to that, right?
no. This is a super user. That means that he
Super user.
has complete rights. He is the one who can log into the Django administration site.
Mm.
So the Django administration site can be accessed with that localhost/admin.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
This, when you give it in the browser,
You
this
get this
node
portal
on the portal, if you
page.
it will pop up the login for this.
Page. Yeah, you have shown me this also. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Mm.
So to start,
So,
before
mm.
once we created the login, you run the server, and then
Mm.
pop up, navigate to uh, localhost admin and log in with the admin user, admin. Okay.
Yeah.
And there it will show these users, groups, and all that. So
Hmm.
yeah, so that's
Got it.
the admin side. So this much is administrative tasks. Very simple.
Hmm.
So what
Okay.
it does is when you create a model,
Hmm.
did I have that page? Here. Later, in an example,
Ah.
uh, I've added a model under my own application. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
that model shows up here, and the admin can click on this and see all the records, and he can go edit a specific record, modify. So this literally is the super user or the administrator. He can
Oh,
change
so
things from the backend.
without those Python commands, he can do it here on a
Yeah,
UI, is it?
if
Okay.
he wants to change box of pens to some box of pencils and all that, he can change. So he
Hmm.
can modify the record from here. The action allows him to do that. So you might find
Hmm.
sometimes some wrong data has been entered. So admin has to only modify. So super user will go ahead and modify. Okay.
Okay.
So this like that. Okay. So that's the administrator's side. Now, yeah. So that's all to the administrative part. Okay. And I told here if any changes happen, you have to run this once and start again.
Okay.
Some background sound is there.
Yeah, but is it from my side? I'm not sure.
From here, the gym, somebody is having some session, I believe.
Oh,
One moment. Just give me a
okay, no
moment.
problem.
Let me see.
No problem.
No, this weekend there's some Diwali event, right? So this
Hmm.
they are testing the PA system.
Okay. Yeah, I can. Yeah, it looks like that only. Yeah.
That's way below actually. They have some events like inside the apartment community. Yeah, yeah, like that. I'm at the party hall. We have an office here, so
Mm-hmm.
this party here. Okay. So okay. So now what we will do, we'll create a Hello World app. Okay.
Okay.
So
Mm.
in the Hello World app, one additional thing here. Uh,
Mm.
if you have to create an app, you see, manage Python manage py start app, my app. Okay.
Mm.
So
Mm.
under a project, you can create this one more app. So the whole idea here is the project. Inside a project, you could have multiple apps also.
1 minute, I missed your screen share. I'm trying to get it back.
Uh,
Hold on. Where is that? Okay. Okay, I missed the last part. So
so
I just made some notes as you are saying.
no problem. No
The
problem.
first is I have to create a directory, right? That's what is the first step. Project directory, isn't it?
Yeah, that is the directory part. But
Mm.
after now you finish the site, right? My site is over. Now the
Mm-hmm.
app what you create, let's say you're creating a products app. Okay.
Mm.
So the app you are going to create is also a subfolder inside the project. Okay.
Mm.
So here Hello World app, if you
Yeah.
want to create it, you'll have a my app name, some
Mm.
name. Okay. So Python manage py start app is an option, and you
Mm.
give the app name. Okay. So then what
Okay.
will happen is it will create one folder under DJ
So
Pro.
this you do uh, before or after you create the admin. In the app only you have to create the admin, right?
See here, project existed. Then we created my site. Okay.
Ah,
After
ah.
that, you want to build your own model, your own view, and all that, your app. your application. So that's what it calls app, my app.
Oh, so this, okay.
Correct.
Fundamentally, so when you say you create products, you're updating products and all that, I thought that's a subset of app. That's a subset of the app, isn't it?
It is, all these component files are under one app.
One app, right? Yeah.
The app is
Okay.
to be named. Simply you can
Hmm.
name it my app.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm a little confused now. So uh, f- if you have to quickly recap, one is you create a folder for the project, and in
Project.
the project, then you do the, what is that?
Right.
The site first, right? You do the, get the site up, and then inside the site, automatically those ASCII and all that get created. Then you run those three commands: run server, make migration, migrate, something like that you told.
Correct.
Correct? So
Yeah.
that will enable uh, you have to run that. Then only the server starts working.
Right.
And on top of that, you start the my app, which is the
You
start
yeah.
app my app.
Start
Okay.
app. Yeah. Start app, my app will create
Hmm.
this folder, and
Hmm.
it will give you all the standard files like admin.py,
Hmm.
models.py, views.py. All this
Okay.
will come by
Hmm.
default. So what it does is it lays down the standard set of files for the model view.
Hmm.
Template is not yet there. So under
Hmm.
my app, you go ahead and create. Okay, once you create my app, you'll have to go to settings.py and add this entry under installed apps. See,
Hmm.
this
Okay.
one has to be done because you created an app folder, right? So, so whichever app you are naming,
Hmm.
that name, whatever name you're giving to your app has to be uh, configured in the settings.py. Under
Hmm.
install apps, only these entries will be there initially.
Hmm.
You'll
Okay.
add your own app name here. And here, this settings.py, there are other modules if you are using, that has to be
Hmm.
entered here as well. We'll see
Okay.
that. We'll come to that
When you
in
say modules, you're basically saying Python libraries, right?
Python library. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. Other new ones you can add
Hmm.
here as well under installed app. Suppose you installed a new module, new
Okay.
Python library. That will also have to be inserted here. Okay, set up here. Now,
Hmm.
okay, now templates. Then create template folder.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Under template folder, you can have all the HTMLs. This we have seen.
Hmm.
We have seen the base HTML, or in this example, just an index.html.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
then go on to code the view like
Hmm.
this.
Hmm.
Okay. So,
Okay.
so here are the files. Views are functions inside views.py. Okay. Because this views.py is also given to you by under the app. Under my app, these
Uh-huh.
standard names of the files will come there and be available.
Sorry, say that again. Say that again. I
Uh,
lost the
under
focus. Yeah.
my
What is it?
app, under my
Hmm.
app,
Hmm.
models, views, app, admin.py, everything will be deployed, will be created when you run this utility. Start app, my app, this
Hmm.
will
Hmm. Hmm.
create these files. So what I was saying here,
Which are the files? Just say that again.
come to this one, views.py, this
Hmm.
three, views,
Hmm.
models and views. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
The models and views will be under my app.
Hmm. It will start running under my app, right? That's what you're saying.
No, 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 no. We are just
Hmm.
creating. Nothing is running.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
Under views is a logical name given to where you can find all the views.
Hmm.
Under models.py, it's just a name given by where you can create all the models. So very organized manner they have put these things.
Hmm.
Now the template, right? The page.html, the base
Hmm.
and all the other ones. that will be under templates.
Templates.
That has to be, the templates folder got custom created and set up. Okay. So because templates, under templates is your index.html. Okay.
So, but does it get automatically created, or when you create the template folder, that basic index.html?
We'll have to create. Yeah, we'll have to create the templates folder.
Yeah. So you told that
Uh,
when you create the index folder, this index.html, will it get automatically created?
that you will have to manually create.
Manually create, huh?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. We'll do that with PyCharm, and all this will come automatically. This template itself will come when we do right click and create it that way.
Right click. Okay, we'll see that. Maybe I'm asking too many
That's the
questions. So.
PyCharm IDE doing it's part of the support. Yeah, this one you don't need to code anything. It'll just come there. When you say new HTML, a default will come there. That's all.
Okay.
So
but you will just create it inside the template folder only, basically. Correct.
Yeah, and inside that. So just a recap. Okay.
Yeah, just a recap. Yeah.
In under DJ2, we have my site which gets created first, which will have settings.py and urls.py. Okay.
1 minute. First you have to, I just lost your audio there for a moment.
Okay.
First step is create a project directory, correct?
Yes.
Folder, basically project folder.
Okay.
That you do in the command prompt in make.dir command DOS. You showed me that, right? That's the first step.
Yes. Yes.
Then
we'll create one command for the with Django.
So that creates the project folder inside with what all the default ones that get started off with. It creates
project folder. It creates just from the DOS
empty
prompt,
folder.
the project folder. That's all.
Empty one. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
And then we go out of installing Django.
Mm.
After the Django after Django module is installed, you go create the site. Site gives you these settings. And
so installing the Django is basically that Py server, run server, make
correct.
migration, Py migrate, right?
Pip install Django.
Oh, sorry, my bad. Yeah, that is also I remember you told me. Yeah, pip install Django, correct? Okay.
And then the Django admin allows you to create my site. These files are going to be created. Then you create the super user.
Django admin allows you to create my site, means which are how do you do that?
From the command prompt. From the command prompt, we will do that.
Okay. Which one? Can you?
This one. Django admin my site.
Okay, Django admin start project my site. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Then my site is created. Admin super user will be created next. This one. Make migrations migrate, and then admin super user will be created. So admin will be able to log in.
Yeah. But before that, you have to bring up the server. So you run server, make migrations, migrate, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
Then you log in one time to check everything is okay.
So admin super user is created with the command manage by create supervisor, right? Super user, correct?
Manage by create super user. This option. So manage by takes several types of options for each specific task.
Yeah, each one is specific. I got it. So that's a standard syntax, I think.
Correct. These are the standard. This option will vary. That's all.
Yeah. Create super user. I somehow wrote it as supervisor. Okay.
One word.
It auto corrected as something. Okay, super user. Then you start the my app, right? Yeah. Hold on.
Then you can create this my app. So my app.
Hey, you also showed me initially BNB twice command, right? When is that?
That's the very beginning after you just create the project folder. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Environment. You have to create the environment, right?
Yeah.
That's again a DOS prompt. Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. At
command
the
prompt.
same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll come to that later. Okay. So
You
here you are saying after super user is created,
start
basically
create the my app.
create the my app. So my app is that pie, manage pie, startup, my app. Where
Uh,
my app is the name of the application that I'm giving,
Name of
correct?
the application. Okay. You could name any.
Okay.
You could say hello
Okay.
world also. But what it gives, it creates these files, models.py,
And
views.
views.
It's all is available to be coded individually. Okay.
Hmm. It just
Admin.py.
creates placeholders basically. Huh?
Yes, it just
Hmm.
it creates these standard files
Hmm.
inside
Hmm.
there.
Hmm.
Uh, then you go about creating your this setup, configuring the settings.py. You have to create an entry
Hmm.
here to
Hmm.
configure my app there. And
Yeah. Go to settings and install that
installed,
JSON file what you're showing now.
installed
Not
app.
a JSON file. It is some square bracket. Okay. I
Installed
go
app.
and install.
Under
Install.
installed apps, you put
Hmm.
the app
My
name,
app.
my
App
app.
name.
Okay.
Hmm.
So far, that's good. And then you go to create
Template.
templates
Hmm.
and put the HTML. That's all.
When I say right click new, automatically a
This will
default
come.
template
This will
opens up,
come.
which is
No
like
worries.
this. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. I can just, if I have something in the body only, I can put that in the body, something like that, which I have built somewhere else, I can put it there, basically.
Yeah. No problem. You will get that so easy.
Hmm.
Here, if you notice,
Hmm.
under templates, okay, once you create this templates,
Hmm.
sorry,
Oh,
let me show you. Sorry, pardon me.
no problem. Take care.
So I'll have some water.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Under templates, after
Hmm.
that custom template is folder is created, under settings, you'll have to go add one entry called template. There is one settings for that also. I'll show you where is that. Hold on. Here, this one. Templates path under dirs. You created a custom template folder, right? So this has
Hmm.
to be set up one time. There is one entry for templates, and that has to go against pointing to the path under directories. Okay, so this is there as a one-time setup. Much like we added the my app, here the path to your project templates have to be specified under DIRs, directories. Okay.
Where is this DIRS?
This is under
Where is this template?
this under
This is
settings
in settings only, right?
settings.py.
Okay.
We'll see that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's go about doing. Okay.
Yeah. So I have a command prompt ready.
You are under dev. Okay.
Yeah, I am under that folder, which is dev. But should I be inside the Django folder there or no? No, right?
Mhm. Under dev. That's all.
Okay.
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 Okay. So here I am under dev. Okay.
Hmm.
This where all my directory projects are there. So
Hmm.
just
Hmm.
one location. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
So let me just clear screen. So what we'll do is
What's
mk
the command to clear screen in DOS?
CLS.
CLS. Huh? Oh,
Yeah.
got everything, man. Okay. Hmm. Hmm.
CLS, clear screen.
Hmm.
Okay. And then
Hmm.
it come up there. If it went below, sometimes you can scroll up with the mouse wheel also. So it went up.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah.
That also is there. Suppose I have too many things on my screen, I can roll the mouse wheel, it will just take it up as well.
Okay. Okay.
So here, mkdir, okay. Let's give some you can give pro. Okay, I will put some number here. Okay.
I'll call it DA project only. DJ project. Okay. Number 1.
Okay, I'm giving some name. Okay, so like that. Okay, DJPR1, 2. Okay, any name. Okay, because mine already has that DJPR2 and DJ.
Got it. No
So
problem.
some unique name I'm holding. Now this folder is done. DJPRJ. Okay. Go into that like this.
Yeah.
Now
I do a CD and that's it. I change directory.
CD and the folder name. Okay. Then go about pip. Okay, you will have Python version, right? Python version. Now here, if you notice, yeah, did you get to a version there?
Yeah. So I have Python version, right? Python
Some version.
double dash. Yeah, I have it. Hold on.
Now one thing.
3.10.11.
3.10.11. Okay. One thing, suppose you do want to use the earlier old version, you can also go to your
Pip and update, right?
no, not
Not here.
Suppose you want to take it to 3.12, okay, and we have seen earlier that there is the path, right? So all the paths point to that. Suppose you want to get rid of the earlier one and to bring it to the latest only. I mean, I will not be using the old one at all, and I want to keep this as the latest one.
Okay.
In the environment, you can go to control panel.
Okay.
What? Control panel.
Programs, huh?
There is some security, account settings, administrative control, environment variables, or you can do that.
Straightaway search for environment.
System, edit the system environment variables. Just type env on your search in the taskbar. Yeah, this one. On this,
edit the system environment variables, right?
correct. env, and this will come. Edit this one. Yes.
Hold on, I lost your screen share. I'm just going to get it back. Where is it? Zoom.
On the search, just type env.
Yeah, I got it. So I'm in environmental variables.
Yeah, you are inside environment variables. Do you see my screen?
Yeah. Now I can see.
Okay. So here, what is happening is all the variables are there. So here there is a path here. Okay. So you have user variables, you have system environment variables. This user variable edited, you can put the Python latest path here. Okay.
But the path I have defined here is for SQL shell. Okay. So maybe I've been using it for my other project. Okay.
So this for the individual user can point to some latest one. And if you modify that, this here, when you do Python -- version, it will point to whatever you have given for your use.
Okay, but this is for how do I dedicate one path for this? Like I have one path defined here. It is for a MySQL shell 8.0, something like that.
Ah,
What is it? So now I have to have one more path for um,
the path can have many things. That's the way
hmm,
it is. Uh,
hmm.
if you point
Yeah,
to
many things.
uh,
When I edit, I see many things. Okay, okay, got it.
under
Okay,
Python, when you change this, this will change to the latest without
got it.
without the virtual environment. So that's like you will only be on this one. Now you can't go to the old one like that. Okay. So
Hmm.
the default
Okay,
will change like this here.
okay, okay, okay.
So that's
So you
what.
want me to change that?
No,
I
no,
don't
no,
have a 3.1,
no
3.12.5.
need. You don't need to
No
have,
need, right?
no need. 311 or 310, 39, all are fine.
All are fine, right? Okay. Okay, I moved into CD and moved into that folder.
One moment.
So, hmm,
Okay. So you moved into that folder, right? Okay.
hmm,
Now
hmm,
let's, sorry, pip install Django like that. So what we're doing inside this project, we are, okay, this pip is to be updated. Hold on. The pip has to be latest. Okay.
hmm.
So to do
I did the latest actually
that,
recently. Okay.
there is a command for that.
Hmm,
So just hold on. If we were on the inside the project PyCharm,
hmm,
then you
hmm.
can go to the interpreter. Typically, you do like that interpreter, and when you start going to that interpreter's install libraries, you could have done pip. Okay, so pip itself, pip and setup tools have to be the latest. Okay, so
Hmm.
here pip itself is not showing up. So pip,
So what is the path? I go to
no, don't do this. No, I'm
okay,
showing you
okay,
that
hmm,
inside PyCharm, you could have the first step you do is this one
okay,
to pip as a module to the latest.
okay.
Okay. The alternative to that on the command prompt, okay, because that is not coming through now. Hold on. Here you go show desktop. Show desktop. Hold on. Where we have just a moment. You see a file called Python. Yeah, yeah, right here. So now this one, pip install like
Upgrade
this,
pip, right?
upgrade pip.
Yeah.
This you should run.
Hmm. That you run it inside the
Uh,
project folder only.
Tell
Okay.
Python minus M. I'll put it on the chat. Okay, upgrade pip.
Hmm. Okay.
Zoom chat.
This is optional, huh?
No,
Is it?
no, this is the one which brings pip to the latest version.
You have to do it every time, you mean? Okay. Hmm.
This this has to be done. Yeah, I mean typically for a project one time.
Hmm.
It was this the chat. Yeah, the chat on the chat. I'm just pasting this command.
Okay, hold on. How do I check chat? Okay, here you go. I did get something. Yeah. Okay. So this is the command, huh? Okay.
It says requirement already satisfied. Okay, but then pip install Django did not. Okay, okay, hold on. We'll also do the virtual environment. One moment.
Hmm. Should I do the environment before this pip or after the pip? Obviously
No,
after the pip, right?
pip anyway is required. So you
Hmm.
can do pip. The environment comes after only. Yeah, yeah. Pip, pip comes first.
Hmm. Okay, so this is at a per project level, is it, Ajay?
Just let's do the V and
Per,
V files. It is pointing to pip after. Say again.
so this per project folder, you have to run this pip, okay, isn't it? Hmm.
Because we're going to install Django in this project, no?
Hmm.
Typically, this is
Okay,
satisfied here under like library packages.
okay. Hmm.
The next one you do Python -m v. I'll pass it on the chat.
Okay, how about Django? I have not yet installed Django, so
Not
I'll
yet,
do
not
that
yet,
now.
not yet, not
Not
yet.
yet, huh? Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Python
So,
-m v.
okay, got it.
So we run that.
So this is called, I'll just want to give some commentary.
Ah,
Basically, you are doing enabling an environment, huh?
the virtual
Enabling.
environment. The
Hmm.
interpreter will come into the project.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay. So V were done. Okay.
Okay, hold on. I have not yet run the command. Let me just Control C, right click. Okay. I enter the command. The cursor is blinking. Now I got the prompt again. Okay, so that command is done.
Is done.
Next is
So next you do cd venv scripts.
okay.
In the chat.
Yeah, that's okay. CD, I can see it, no problem. And this is before, so you are not yet on the install Django as yet. I have to do CD,
Started.
CD, venv, /scripts.
Scripts.
So I have not created any folder called venv, right?
No, it
Scripts.
just is there because you
It's
ran
there, huh?
Python -m venv.
Oh, okay. Let me see it AR. Okay, just for my curiosity.
Yeah, it created a virtual
venv. Okay.
venv folder, subfolder
Hmm.
under your project.
Hmm.
Okay, and scripts.
Okay.
Under
Got it. So in
scripts,
venv, there is a script file, is it? Yeah.
inside venv there is scripts file, script
Okay.
subfolder. Okay,
Uh-huh.
in scripts subfolder, you will find some files here. Activate.bat. Okay,
Oh, okay.
and there it packed pip also inside now. Now the interpreter is inside. Python is also inside. Okay.
Gotcha. Okay, hold on. Let me just make some notes. So I did CD, B, and I'll go to write some notes. B and B has a venv folder and a scripts script and a script subfolder,
Subfolder,
scripts plural
scripts,
subfolder
subfolder.
inside in venv.
Huh.
So you move to scripts subfolder basically.
Yes.
There is a folder. There is a where we have activate.bat batch file.
Activate.bat is located there.
Hmm.
Now, and we also have the Python interpreter inside.
Okay.
This Python.exe.
Also alongside that,
Yeah.
located as a besides
Yes.
Python interpreter,
Right.
which is called what is it
Python.exe.
called? Python
Python.exe.
exe. Okay, okay.
Now
Hmm.
we
Hmm.
activate with this one dot /activate.bat.
Hmm.
Yeah, just move up. This is scrolling I'm doing. Okay.
Hmm.
Like this.
Hmm.
As soon as I do this, you see this
Hmm.
bracket and the virtual environment name
Hmm.
comes here. Okay. So when we did Python -m venv, this is the name of the virtual environment.
Hmm.
Okay. And
Hmm.
that name is here and the scripts
Hmm.
folder got created. Now we are
Hmm.
just activating the virtual environment. So this is when you have typically multiple versions, you will do this. Okay, this is the way you are activating your current interpreter. in the virtual environment of
Dot. You have to run a dot
dot
activator.
backslash activate dot bat. So I will put it in chat.
Oh, I got it. I have noted it. It worked for me. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Dot. Basically, dot is the important thing. Without dot, it says doesn't recognize the command. Okay.
Without
Added
that,
a dot. Yeah.
so this bracket will come as an indication that it is up and running. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Hold on. Let me just copy this. I'll say. Hold on. Control C. After you run the dot command, you get. I'll say one gets the VNV prompt in the.
yes,
Okay.
we are
Okay.
there.
Super. Hmm.
Now cd dot dot space dot dot. Come back to the project level.
Okay. Come back. Okay. So basically after activating the VNV, basically that's what you're doing. Come back two steps up, I think, right? Come back
This
to
is a
project level.
project folder.
Hmm.
Project folder.
Hmm.
You can upgrade pip, okay, but let's see, it may not need anything, okay. You can upgrade pip, but
Hmm.
may not be needed. Now,
Hmm.
what we'll do, we'll sorry, we are here. Django admin start project my site dot. We'll run that command. Okay. So Django admin.
So Django installation, Django still not. Oh, now
Oh,
only, yeah.
sorry, we didn't do that. Sorry. My bad. Yeah.
We have to do this now.
We had to do install Django.
Now in the project, right? Okay. Hmm.
Inside the project, pip install Django.
Okay. Hold on. I think I cut paste wrongly. Hold on. I'll just.
Mine is running. Okay.
Hmm.
Doing Django 512. Okay.
So see, I do Python -m VNV. So the VNV prompt comes. Then I get the Python exe file. I move to that folder where that file is, and then run activate bat. After that, I come back 2 steps, and then only I run the
Pip install Django.
pip install Django, right?
Correct. Correct.
Okay, install Django on the project folder.
Correct.
So that is called what is the command? Pip install Django. I have it here already.
Install Django. We are installing Django.
Okay.
So
I'm
this,
going to do that. So for every project, you have to install it, is it? Django
we
separately.
have to. This is much like the libraries you will install. For Flask, you
Oh,
write your project, you install, right? So any Python module you install. That's all.
perfect. Okay. So I have not yet got the prompts. It's just saying downloading, typing extensions, installing collected packages. Okay, if I run into some problem while doing this, you can do nothing, Manar. You have to just reinstall, right? Nothing else you can do.
Might have to upgrade something. That should
Here
be.
and there.
Yeah.
That should be all right, right?
Did
Okay,
you?
now it says Python exe my mpip install upgrade pip. The upgrade to update. It says a new release of pip is available 23.01 to 24.2. So maybe I have to run this command here to upgrade the pip.
Yeah, you can try doing that. Yeah. Yeah. That's pointing to tell that pip got upgraded.
So I'll do that.
Uh,
Successfully uninstalled. Oh my God. It is
Wait.
uninstalling
Hit
20.
uninstall and do this.
Oh,
This is the
okay.
command
Installed.
you should be running.
Yeah, yeah. I got 24.2. Okay. No issues.
Okay.
Hmm.
You should get to this one where it successfully installed Django.
That it did. And then prompted me to do an upgrade of
Oh,
successfully installed Django 512.
Okay, so that's fine. You got Django installed, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. How do
So
I, is there a command to check that? I have to just say
yeah, just
dir,
do a dir. Okay,
uh,
you got
virtual environment.
VNV.
Hmm.
Uh, Django is inside the site packages in pack because it's a module. Under
Mm-hmm.
the Python site packages, it will come. So uh,
Oh, I have to go to that, this one, scripts basically, is it?
scripts not there. Under where is that? You might ask. Hold on. That installs to the user. Oh, hold on. Let's see. CD.
Okay. Lib py config scripts is there.
Yeah, CD lib.
Yeah, I see Django admin exe in the scripts folder.
CD. Here, this is where it installed.
Oh, in the
Okay.
library. Okay.
Under the V and V, there's a lib.
Hmm.
Under lib, you have site packages, and this is where it got installed. Django.
In lib, I don't see a lib in my dir.
Huh.
Oh, sorry, I'm in scripts. Huh? No.
Yeah, here is
Okay, dir. Okay, okay, lib by cd lib.
CD lib.
Okay. Hmm.
Then go to CD site. You can put a asterisk.
Uh,
So it will
Site
just
and asterisk. Hmm.
site packages.
Hmm. Okay.
And this
Uh,
Django.
so Django 512 is there, is it?
Correct.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now
Hmm.
come back to our 3 levels back
Hmm.
to the DJPR or project location. CD dot 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 3 levels back.
Yeah. Okay.
Here DJ, the project folder, dir. Okay. Okay, I'll just do. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to run this admin command, Django admin, this one. Django
Hmm.
admin start project, my site. I'll put it in the command prompt, to the chat, like that.
Okay. So what are you actually doing this?
Yeah. We are using the Django admin utility to create the site.
Okay, using Django admin utility to create the site.
Hmm.
What site is this?
This is a Django site, no? The
Hmm.
development servers site.
Okay.
We saw
Okay.
this, no? Here,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
that's the my site, my site. This,
Okay.
this my site, my app. That's the one it creates.
So Django creates my site Django. So sorry, using admin utility to create the my site, basically,
Correct.
correct?
Yes. Django admin,
Developer
start
my
project, my site, and dot.
okay, hold on. And a dot, huh?
And dot. Yeah, the dot is required.
Okay.
So it creates this my site under this location. That's the dot mean. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So see, this folder got created. Okay. Manage py came
Ah,
also.
okay.
It put that manage py utility.
Okay, hold on. Install Django the product folder. Wherever you are installing that Django folder, that after activating the VNV, come back to the project folder, 2 steps, and then you install Django from that
Yeah.
folder only, and you're staying in the same folder only,
In that
right?
same folder.
Same.
Now,
Uh,
after Django got installed, Django admin utility is available at
okay.
to run.
So that is installed. You can check by running dir to see if my site folder is created, right? My site.
Right.
Okay.
Now
Super. Okay.
our project has my site. Okay.
Hmm.
So if you go to the PyCharm, now start PyCharm.
Okay. Okay. If I had closed, already started, let me shut it and start again, or I have to
No,
refresh?
if you already started, then
Hmm.
click File, go to Open,
Hmm.
click Open. Now
Hmm.
point to the project which you have created. The project
My
folder,
site.
yeah.
My site, right?
No, just File, open this
Hmm.
project. It will come to your PyCharm ID.
Yeah. Okay.
Just,
Python project one.
yeah, just say OK.
No. Mine was DJ project one. Why do
Uh,
I don't
yeah,
see it? I see it.
if
Yeah.
you-
Okay. Now I go back to the trust project. It says trust
yeah,
project, trust this
yeah,
project.
trust the project. It's yes, and then it gives you this window.
This
Okay,
window.
yeah,
Hmm.
say this window. So it'll open
Hmm.
a current ID.
And now only I go to PyCharm, file, and open the folder.
Hmm.
My project,
Open
DJ project.
what the project you created. So it's doing
Project,
some.
basically a project folder. Yeah. Okay. So that is clear. So
Okay,
basically it's giving some.
it's
Okay.
doing
Now, what all I should see in that
indexing and all
folder? I
that.
see my site. I see VNV library. I see, and inside that VNV
Your
library root.
voice was,
I
yeah,
lost
it's
you.
here. It's all here. And then my site you're seeing, right?
The live. Okay. Include scripts. Yeah. I'm seeing everything. And I got one more manage.py.
So
I don't know what is that. Okay. You also say, I see it in yours
it's your
also.
utility. That's the
Hmm.
Django manage dot Python manage py we run. No, that's what it is.
Okay.
By
So that
Django.
is part of the VNV or the Django. It's part of the
It's provided by
Django.
Django. Django.
Hmm.
So now you have settings. You can look at all that file. The settings got created. Installed apps is here. Templates
Hmm.
is here. See, the dir is empty, right? So we'll have to come to that.
When I create settings, I see multiple things. Then there is this ASCII created. Then URLs is another folder. WSGI. WSGI you told is like the
Static,
interface between
all these
the
are
front
there.
and back end. What is ASCII?
Ah, is another one for I think it's a asynchronous
Hmm.
setting. Yeah, um, it's ASCII is WSGI is WSGI is what we'll be using. ASCII is not used here in this
Not
context.
you said it. Okay, no problem. No, I just sort of curious. Yeah. So that is
ASCII
my site,
asynchronous application.
asynchronous. Okay.
Asynchronous
So
what?
now when I create the project, I have my site, virtual environment ready.
Okay. Now this all ready, right?
Hmm.
Now Now my site is ready, but we are not yet created the admin, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So from here, you can run the server. Okay, just let's
Start the server, basically. A run
manage
server.
Python manage py run server. I put it on the chat.
Yeah.
This command will be more frequently used while
Hmm.
development goes on.
Hmm.
So I am at project folder, Python manage py run server.
So go back to command prompt.
Go back to command prompt, just run server.
Hold on. So go back to
It's,
command prompt and I say manage by run server. Correct?
yeah. Yeah. So it's doing all this. It's
From the
given you
project folder only, right?
at the project folder location. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So then it
Hmm.
started the server
Hmm.
and it has got this localhost 8000. Now in your browser,
I don't see that. I don't see that details and all. I ran run server.
Run server and enter.
I did enter. It just came back immediately with the prompt. It didn't say you have 18 applied, or it didn't say that start developing server at 127. Nothing it says.
And the server didn't run. Where are you? You're running from the project folder here?
Yeah,
That.
from the project folder, I said manage.
Hmm.
Oh, my bad. My bad. Python, and then I have to do manage. Okay. Run server, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. So now whatever exact thing, what is it? So it's
Then,
Python.
so this is our development server.
Okay. So I have run it. So how do I just go to a browser, a local browser, and as I'm accessing a client, like
This
accessing a server, I say 127.0.0.1
folder.
8,000.
Yeah.
8,000 is standard HTTP, right? I got the install worked successfully. Congratulations, Django
Oh,
5.1.
oh, congratulations. So this
Yeah.
is your development server and it's running. Okay. Running version 5.1 of Django.
Correct. Same
Now,
thing I also
back to
got.
the
Okay.
command prompt. If you see, it did a HTTP get when you went there. You see this?
Log, it logs here. Okay.
It logs everything here. So flat on whatever. Okay. Now this 18 unapplied migrations we will come to. So you do Control C now.
Quitting basically, yeah. Control quit.
Control C will come back. Okay. It will come back, and then we'll run the super user command. Okay. So before we go, we will run this make migration because that 18 unapplied migrations and all came, no? This one. So
1 minute, I'm making some note. Launch 127 to check if, what do you call that? Check the Django default page is opening, right? That's what.
Yeah. Check the server is running. This one.
Basically,
yeah, this you can right click. Actually, this whole thing can be also done from inside here.
yeah, I remember. I saw the
Terminal.
logs actually coming down there.
See,
I remember last year. Yeah.
This terminal also is possible to run everything, but we're doing a DOS prompt, so no problem. So here, so now manage py make migration. Be at the project folder location. Control C would have come back to the same location.
That's important thing. Control C to quit.
Quit. Yeah.
To come back to folder. Huh?
Yeah. Come back to the prompt.
Okay.
Python manage py make migrations. Just enter. Okay, it's saying no changes detected. No problem. Up arrow and choose migrate.
Okay.
It's applying the migrations. This is the administration, authentication, session, and all that. So it's completely internal to building anything. What we did now is we create a my site as a project itself. So it is building that. Okay. So migration and migrate. Both commands have to be run.
Okay. Make migrations and migrate.
So this one, I'll just put it on the chat.
Yeah, I have it. No problem. I ran it also. Working.
Okay.
Okay. Next is?
Now, okay. Next, we'll create the super user.
Okay. Very good.
Back on the command prompt, right? Okay. Python manage py create super user. Okay. Chat.
You told that to run before every new release of the project to migrate the code from project folder to the web server for deployment. I think you told this last time. I just took the notes. Migrating build will wire to the files in the library folder.
Exactly. So that every time you'll have to make some So let's say if
Okay.
you made some change, data structure or anything like that, field, model, view, any changes, you'll have to run this to make that change effective. Sometimes
And but
develop.
it, Adi, one dumb question. So this server that you're setting up, it can only run Python, is it? Obviously, Python exe is only there,
This
right?
can
If I include
only
a
run Django.
JavaScript,
Only run Django.
only run Django, not even
Yeah,
Python. Hmm.
not Python. Django. Of course, its framework is Django. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
this is like another framework. We learned Flask before. This is another.
Hmm. Yeah, I forgot Flask completely, but I
No
will not
problem.
forget Django.
Yeah,
I'll do
no
more
problem.
projects here
Yeah,
because
no.
this, okay. So next you are saying create super
Okay.
user.
Here you
So
type
that,
admin. So it's asking the username, what you want, admin. Type admin.
okay. So in the project folder only I have to do all that also. Okay. I do up arrow, I say manage.py and then say create super user.
Yeah.
I
Email
say
ad,
admin. Email I can give anything, right? Or
uh,
I should give a legit one.
no, you can give anything, but let me see.
I'll give my Gmail ID. That's fine,
It
right?
shows error in valid email, enter a valid email address. It's asking a valid email address, but it
Okay.
doesn't validate. Okay,
I
so
understand.
if I did a@aa.com,
It accepts, right? Okay. It needs that syntax format. Okay.
actually, yeah,
To run before. Okay. Create this one is
password,
Python manage Python super user. Associate and associate user ID, email ID, and password. Correct?
yes, password it asks twice, so enter
Mm-hmm.
twice.
Okay. I'm going to give admin. Okay,
Mhm.
the password is too common. I'm okay. Bypass password validation and create anyway. Any
Just put
user.
N. You don't want password, bypass password validation. You just choose N.
Hmm.
Oh, okay, it's asking that.
Yes or N? Should say yes, right? If you want to bypass.
Yes, okay. Yeah, just put Y. And it's going to prompt you once again. That's all. Okay, it created super.
Yeah. Yeah. Created.
Okay.
Okay.
So now
Hmm.
go back up arrow till you go to
Hmm.
this command, run server.
Hmm. That's important, right? Okay. We made some changes, so you have to run it
Mm.
again.
Yeah.
And then migrate and migration both, huh?
All that was done, no? So now it didn't show anything like 18 unapplied migrations and all that. It just started the server.
Okay. So I go and check the browser and say
Yeah.
admin and
Yeah.
user.
Go to the browser,
Admin, admin, correct?
admin. Just at this 8,000, you will enter 8,000 slash admin.
I said there is no password, but here it is asking for password. Huh? Please fill out the field.
Yeah. You come to admin. Okay. For me, it's just popping up admin default. Yeah, it
Okay.
went
There we bypassed, but here it actually took that password only. Admin only. I had to key in admin to come inside.
correct. Yeah. Yeah. That's validation. I think bypass, yes, is
Okay.
required.
Admin super is created. Okay. So again run. What is that command? Admin user is created, super user and associate. Okay. Then again you have to run manage py. What is that command? I'm going back.
Manage.py. Python
Run server.
manage.py. Python manage.py runs.
Run server.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Then I go back and log in.
Browser.
Go to a browser. Go to browser.
Localhost
Uh,
8,000 slash admin.
mm, localhost colon 8000 /admin.
Uh,
Login as admin.
yeah.
Login as admin, and
Then
you
it,
can log into the admin page.
yeah.
Okay, that is also done now.
Yeah. Click on users. You'll see this admin user itself. his email address. Okay.
That is the email address. When I click on
Yes.
users, it's
Correct.
I clicked on okay. I made a mistake. I started adding users.
Yeah.
Like site was okay. Hold on. Okay, I
So,
click on users. Only one guy with my email ID. Just look like any other admin page. Yeah.
so this actions here will allow you
Mm.
to do some actions and all that later.
Understood.
You have to update,
Okay.
you have to just click on it. It will go in.
He's
Just,
having all the privileges. Wow. This is why it's a big, powerful framework. It already gives all this.
right. It's pretty robust.
Robust. Okay. Super. So all this code is where, Aji? All this UI, the front end, all
This
this is in the
this there
EN
in my
environment. Huh?
side. No, this there in
Super.
my side, but they wrapped it up. When you do the make migrations, this is all happening behind. It's packing all this.
Oh, wow. Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Then log out. You can just log out now.
Okay. How do I go back
On the
to
right side.
users? And yeah. Add user, log out on top. Yeah. I logged out. Perfecto. So I can host anything that I want here, right? Basically, now I
Yes.
actually struggled to get a server to host for
Uh,
me to test some
correct.
chota widgets. Okay,
Yes.
actually.
Yes.
But only thing is this accepts only Python code,
This
correct?
only, yeah, this is
Django.
Django only. Now what we'll do is now we have come so far to create the site, log in as administrator, and now we have to go to create your own app. Okay.
Hmm.
So back to the command prompt. Yeah, so many activities here, get and all that.
Yeah. Super. All the logging is done. I
Right.
need to control C from here, quit from
Control
here.
come out. Yeah.
Okay. Can I do now this on PyCharm? Is it possible?
Uh, Inside
You have to
Python,
open a
you have to come
terminal.
to terminal and then you can do all that. Yeah.
Hmm.
But yeah,
Yeah, that's fine.
it was-
Okay, I just want to know. Okay, now I've created the admin page, Python start my app. Uh, now we
now
are
we
going to
have
my app
to,
now.
yeah,
Hmm,
sorry. Now we have to create our my app project, right?
hmm,
So there is Python manage py start app my app. So this is what you go to
hmm,
like this from the
hmm.
project, enter. It created. So now if I do dir, it created the my app. Okay. My app is here too. Okay.
Start app. What is that? Start app.
You put it on
What's
chat.
the No. I noted it. So start app my app.
Python
My.
manage py start app my app.
Hmm. Okay. So it created. Just quickly it created. Then I can validate it by dir.
In
dir. I have my app. cd my app. It will give me all the. If I do a DR, you'll get view, spy, all that, right? View and models both.
view all that. So here
Yeah.
you can see in PyCharm also
Hmm.
all these things. Okay. Models, views, admin,
I see it. Models. Yeah. Perfecto. Hmm.
migrations, all that is there.
Hmm.
Okay. Now go to settings.
Hmm.
The thing.
And you have to add that in the dir. You told
Yes,
something
yes.
like that, right?
Here, go into install app.
Where's
Install
the setting? Setting is in the file
setting
menu. Huh?
my site. Under my site settings, then urls.py are always under my site. So
Okay.
settings,
Hmm.
settings.py, enter
Hmm.
here.
Hmm. I see. Yeah. I see installed apps.
Yeah.
And
Here,
there I have to add my app.
the
Correct?
very end, my app.
Hmm. Why do
Say,
you do that? You told me, yeah, you have to add it there. Then only.
it, it is your own custom, right? So it has to be under installed apps.
Okay.
We then
To ensure the
categorize.
custom my app, is under installed apps.
Yes.
I'll write notes like that. After
Okay.
creating my app, go to settings. Where is this settings? It is in the my site folder.
My site.
Go to my site, which is inside the project folder only,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
My site or my sites? My site
My site.
settings, and in the installed apps, uh, installed. What is it called? It's called a square bracket. What is that? It's actually installed apps list. Okay, I'll say.
This is a list actually. It's a setting. It's a configuration. That's all.
Add app to ensure that. Okay. Then you
My,
said one more setting, right? You said something for template folder also.
we will have to do that next. Yeah.
Okay.
We'll do
Okay.
that. So this is done. Okay. So all this is done. Install app. We are done. Now we have to create templates folder. Okay. So right click under my app. Okay. And then new directory.
Okay.
Templates. Type the word templates. Enter. Templates is created. Okay. Now.
Right. Okay. Right click on my app folder and say click and create new folder, new subfolder. I'll call it. Called
Create a
templates.
directory called templates. It has to be templates, not just template.
Yeah. Templates. Okay. Now.
Templates is created. So now what we have to do is under templates, this empty location is there. No, we have to give the full path there.
When I click on templates, I don't get anything. Where do you, obviously, right? I have to create what on templates?
Go to settings. Go to settings.
Okay, settings. Okay.
In this settings, you have to specify this path. Copy my app templates. That.
So I have to highlight this DARs, right?
Yeah, you have to go to settings, templates, and put this path there. Okay, so to do so, copy path.
Copy path of the templates, huh? Okay, got it.
Copy path.
Copy path reference, right? That's what it says, right?
Yeah.
Absolute path. C, dev, project.
Absolute path. Don't have to take absolute path. This much is sufficient. My app templates. This is under dev.
So it is copied, is it? When I click it, it gets copied. Let me see.
Yeah, right click.
Yeah, it got copied.
Right click,
and
copy path reference.
And do I need a square bracket or I can take it off?
Hold on. I think this quote has to be there. Let me see. Okay. Just give me a moment.
No problem.
We saw that setting somewhere. Yeah, here. Here. A double quote you can put. Yeah, just put the double quote or a single quote. I think.
That's it. No square brackets.
No, square brackets required for that.
Okay.
Just put inside like this. One quote on
Got
the
you.
front, one at the back. Okay. File save.
And
Just
save, how do you save? Where is the save here?
file save all or Control S. Either is fine. This one.
Control S.
File
Yeah, that's
save
a
all.
file command. So what I do is I created a template folder under my app and copied that path and pasted it in the settings
And
templates. Okay, right click my app folder,
diffs.
my
dir.
app, mm, create a subfolder called templates. Copy the local path. Copy the local path by right clicking. How do you do it? By right clicking only. It shows path reference.
Copy path reference. Go to
Copy path.
path from content root. This one. Not the absolute
Go to settings,
templates.
templates, and there is a dir, and place it
Yes.
like a string in a list,
Like
just like
enclosed inside single quotes here.
yeah,
Single, double. Okay, this should be fine.
single quote in square brackets.
Now we are ready to create the page. Okay.
Hmm.
So right click under templates. Right.
Okay.
New.
This is what you showed me last time. Correct.
uh,
You get automatically that template comes up for HTML.
New HTML.
Okay.
It's asking for the name. I type index. It's a default naming convention. Index.html.
First page. Super. So right click, it says under HTML page. It has to be HTML page, right? New. I call it index, huh?
Index.html by convention, naming convention.
Yeah. By naming convention. Yeah. Okay.
So it gives a default HTML tag. Okay. All
Okay, and just to press enter, right? When I press enter, it opened the index.html. I can do a control S, right? I'll do a control S. And title is what? I'm going to give hello
title,
world.
you give it some name. Hello world. Hello world. Okay. Now, inside the body, you put one H1 tag.
Okay.
The moment you do left arrow, H1, right arrow, this tag will come out. Okay. So,
What is it? Left arrow.
H1
How
tag.
is that?
Left arrow,
Yeah.
H1, and
Yeah,
the
automatically H1 automatically came. So that
automatically the
it gives the,
cursor
it's
also
like
is
the, yeah, okay.
there.
In that I can write what I want, right?
Yeah, what you want. So, welcome to Django. Okay, something like that.
Okay.
Okay, and Control S, save it. Okay. Or either save all.
Okay.
So the page is there, welcome page is there. What you do now is go to the prompt on the back end. Okay, the DOS prompt.
Yeah.
Up arrow, Python manage py run server.
It says can't open file. No such file or directory. What does it mean? Oh, I'm in the my app. So I have to come out of my app. Sorry. Run server. Okay. Now I can go on the space, right? On the client side.
So
It says, it doesn't say the whatever thank installed successfully. That's all it comes. Did I miss something? I have to run the other two commands.
no. What is that you're asking? Sorry, missed you.
So I run server. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, we are not yet done here. Hold on.
Not yet done, right? Okay.
When you go to this, now that route has to be linked. Now open the urls.py. Open the urls.py because that has to be connecting the path. Yeah. So here under URLs, you see this admin only is pointing to one default.
Yeah, which
Okay.
is what we
Which
logged in
admin
some time
side,
back. Yeah.
the admin side got, copy that, paste it. You remove admin, path, either backslash or you can leave it like this.
Or say index. No, I don't need to say anything. Okay.
We have to finish one part here. Before you go to the URL, on the URLs file, come to the views. Sorry about that. Come to the views.
No problem.
Come to the views. We have
Okay.
to write a simple view here, right? So the view is the one which renders the page. We created the index page only. So here def index request. Okay. Return render index.html.
Oh, okay.
Yes, hold on.
This is where you are telling if this is the index is the request, this is the, and then you go and call this URL there in the URLs page, is it?
Right. I have to point out to say what happens when I go to that view. So let's go to look at the view here. View. Here. Def index request render my app index. So my app index.html. So render request is the first keyword. This is purely Django. Okay. So when you say request here, you have to use the request in the render as well. And here you say my app slash like this. Like, yeah.
Got
So
it.
this is the view. You coded the view now. Okay. What is this? Blank lines form the request any. Okay, so this is good. Okay. So you coded the view. Control S. I'll save yes. The view is done.
Okay, hold on. Let me see what I have done so that I don't make any mistake. So, okay, return space render. It's a render is a function I think you are calling render. What is it?
Render is provided by Django. Render will render the
for a request.
Yeah, it will render the HTML. Yeah. It's a standard module inside Django. Django shortcuts render. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So now first I right clicked under template and create this one. Correct. That's what you did now, right? Sorry. Under views. Under views.
Under views. Yeah.
Then after that, what?
Okay. So far, so good.
You said something on URLs also.
Now you come to the URLs. Okay. Now, when it is the home page, what should be shown, right? So there, what we are doing is we have to import, okay, import the view. Okay, so the lines for that. Yeah, so this is a page. Yeah, from my app, import views as this one. So you will just use this here at this line. Now you're coding the urls.py to point to that view. No, my view is sitting inside views.py. Okay, so from my app, okay, import views. Okay, from my app, import views as my views, some name. Okay, so this is good. It's grayed out. Yeah. From my app, as as only I give import views. Okay, we'll see. We'll
So
see. So
before
then
that, what was the command, Aji? For that return, render, open bracket request, my app, and that's it, right?
my app slash index.html.
That's all, isn't it?
So here it's showing something at the Django underline. What is it? The AI assistant is causing something. Unresolved reference Django. Oh. Are you getting this way?
Oh,
is
so
I
I'm back at the URLs page.
okay? I'm getting some message here for unresolved reference Django. I don't know why. Yeah, but let's.
See, let me see that template views page first. Oh, I did undo anything. Okay. So what do I do? So first, let me do the right thing on the views page. On the views page, I say def. Where is the views page? The views page, I go to say create your views here. I say def index request colon return render, because I did some mistake here. Okay, request comma it says my app backslash front slash index.html. So this is what I do on the views page. Now from there I come to the views. From views.python I go to your template, correct?
Template.
URLs. I go to URL.
Uh,
URL.
in that
Yeah.
URL, you're going to use in that urls.py from here, we're going to import from my app, right? The views file is inside the my app subfolder. So from my app, import views as my views. Okay.
Okay, but before that, you have two commands from Django contrib import admin. I don't see those commands in my this one.
These two should be there. Scroll up. I mean, scroll at line 17, it will be there. Django contrib.
Yeah, it is collapsed. Okay,
Uh,
from Django, okay, it's collapsed. So
yeah.
19 and 20 is the URL patterns. So
Hmm.
in the path, what you are saying is, what do I write here?
This single quote,
Hmm.
this is a landing. So
Landing page. Okay.
empty string,
Hmm.
comma. Now from importing, you'd say my views dot
Hmm.
index. Okay, here you can give a name, index. Like that. Yeah.
Okay. Comma hai chalega. Okay. Comma is okay.
This comma is like there are three arguments here. path
Mm.
is pointing to my function, my view. Okay.
Mm.
And then I'm giving it a name. The URL pattern
Index.
can be given a name called index. So that
Okay.
this name is equal to index.
Now I can do Control S, right? Everywhere.
Name equal to index is also. So every path can have a name. So control S, yeah, save that.
Okay.
Okay. This
Now I
giving,
go to run the.
are you
Okay, it
getting
says
any errors?
my views is not defined. Name error. My views is not defined. It says
Are you
is
giving
on.
my app views as my views?
Oh, I have to write that. No, I
Yeah,
didn't write that.
yeah.
From my app, import
Chat and
views as my views.
import views as
So,
my.
okay. Okay, I'm going to make some notes. Go to URLs
Uh,
folder and put the following commands. What are the following commands? The 3 lines. From my app, import view as my views.
mhm.
And I want to say this.
Add the path which connects the
Uh,
landing page to the view.
okay. Add the path which connects the landing. I don't know, when I copy it in from this to this, it is killing all the spaces in between. As my views. Then add the path in the URL patterns, right?
Yeah, this function is there. This bracket may not be there. You can remove that at the end.
Which one? Which?
My views dot index is sufficient.
Okay, that function is not required. Huh?
My view dot index. So
Okay,
now
add the path. Okay.
the path is added.
Okay. Wait a
And
minute.
for
I'm just
every
running.
landing URL,
Hmm.
suppose you have add or update, all these buttons might be there. Okay, or the links might be there. Every
Hmm.
route from the browser needs one entry here under URL patterns. Okay. And
Okay.
this from my app import views is one time because everything is going to come from my app. This views, all the views are going to be here. It's just a way of organizing. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Got it.
So now this is
Hmm.
clear, right? The route
Yeah.
to the view.
Hmm.
Okay. Suppose you have add, then add slash like this admin slash we did,
Hmm.
or if you had
Got it.
update like that, that slash
Yeah.
you do this
Hmm.
add view. My app, my views dot add, my views dot
Okay.
update, my views dot delete. All that will come here. Okay. So
Okay.
we
So
have connected
now,
the
okay.
route.
Now this error. Okay. Now, sorry. Go ahead. Go ahead.
We have
After you.
connected the route to the
Hmm.
view, and the
Hmm.
view is going to do what view we have written, where it
Hmm.
is going to render that index.html.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
It's
So
all
I have to
set.
run this command, right? Run app server, something like that, isn't it?
Save everything. Okay. Unresolved reference Django. I don't know what is going on, but are you getting? You may not be getting this, right?
No, where do I in the
Are you
I'm
get?
not running the terminal here. Okay.
But
Uh,
no, no, this is
in the
not from
in
the
the command prompt. Okay.
This might be some issues it is pointing, but
Okay.
in this case, if you're not getting, it's fine. For me,
I'm
it might,
not getting.
yeah. So then
Important error. Cannot import name view from my app. What does it mean?
you cannot import name view under not views.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay.
Import views
Okay.
as
Control Z. Control S. Yeah. Now it understood. Quit. Okay. Now it worked.
okay.
Okay.
Save everything again.
Okay. So I have to save that. Then do Control C
Yeah.
and run the command again. I saved it anyways. Okay. Control S.
After the save,
No.
come to the command prompt,
Hmm.
run server,
Hmm.
up arrow, run server.
Hmm.
here, back to this one. Django landing page. Okay. Render request my app index. It seems to have some issues here.
Yeah, I also got the same error. Okay.
This one. Okay.
Return render request my app, right?
So we go to the view.
What
Go to the view.
it says template does not exist. Okay, at that folder.
Because we have put the path there, let's try to. A template does not exist.
At path my app oblique index.html.
The issue is at the view. No problem. Okay, no problem. Try to remove this. Let's see.
Okay.
Save all. Refresh. There you go.
So where do I go? I go to the view.
That view add my app index. No, I'll come to that. I'll just remove that my app before.
Oh, got it. But the backslash has to be there. Even that it can be removed. Huh?
Just the word index.html.
That's all is enough. Okay.
Why?
And then Control S. Okay.
Refresh.
Control C. I just come out of it. Then run the server again.
Yeah.
Now I go back and refresh. Yeah. Gotcha.
You got it?
Yeah.
So it's showing the title Hello World, what we put there. And inside the H1 tag, it's showing Welcome to Django. Okay. You have built your first Django application. Congrats.
Thank you.
So,
okay.
What the issue here was, we removed my app and the slash no. See, under templates, I'll show this slide. Okay. Where was that? Here. See, do you see this in my slide here? Under templates, you have one more my app and then index. When it is my app / index. Now, why? Because when you build a Django project, there could be multiple modules. Okay. Like my app could be there. There could be another sub or another app, or another folder you want to create. Under this project, it's just one app here. There could be many apps in your project. Okay. Each of them under templates will have one entry. So then what this means here is this index file is under my app called my app.
That's why you included it here, but here it is directly under templates.
It was directly. In this case, it was directly. But in typical multiple app scenarios, under templates, you will have one folder for each app, like a submodule approach. Okay. And those index HTMLs will be under, or the HTMLs will be under your name here. So this name will be correspondingly under one subfolder.
Okay.
So under templates, you could organize all your HTMLs into subfolders. Okay. So that's when you'll have this directory here. And when you have that, when you launch here, you'll have to do my app / like that.
Okay.
Like that, right? So in this case, however, we directly put one simple this one. So save this and in your
I put all the messages, everything I've saved here. Anyway, I put it in my OneNote, so it auto saves.
Yeah.
At least I can create one more project and start one more page. Yeah, I will do that.
So this is what Django, the first project is. Okay.
First step.
So
everywhere my problem is after that hello world, I don't go forward.
No, this
at least
itself is multiple files and folders. You come through one run of creating a typical model of a Django framework project. Okay, where
got it.
the views will be coded. Now, we go to the next example where we'll build on models. Okay.
Okay.
So how we can set it for another session, no problem, right?
Okay. Okay. I'm
Yeah.
going to create one more project folder, do the entire repeat before the next class, just to,
Okay. Okay. So you can
only
start
thing is,
from scratch altogether. Okay. Like
a different folder altogether.
yeah,
Yeah.
to get hands-on, you
Mm,
create under dev, like now we are under dev, cd dot dot, right? So here
mm,
you start out CLS, make
yeah.
directory like that. Okay. The
Mm,
whole
mm,
run, if you do one time, it will give you crystallize the current learning in terms
yeah.
of the different steps.
Different steps. Okay.
See, but one time you launch this and you come to the PyCharm editor, then
Mm,
there is no need. Only when you go back, you will do two things. One is that make migrations and migrate, and
mm,
to run. To run means run is there, no? This one, manage server run. That's all. But every time
mm.
you modify something, you will have to do remember to run, make migration and migrate.
Got you. Okay.
Okay. Uh,
Mm,
The next session, yeah, you can
mm.
review this. I'll ask the recording and all that will be provided to you.
Yeah, I tried yesterday last week's recording, but I saw only the URL. Sorry, only the folder in the
Mm.
in the Google Drive. I wanted to ask you anyway. I got busy with other things, so I thought I'll ask you today.
Oh,
Just yeah,
oh.
maybe the
No,
link that you sent me.
let's see what how far they have gone. Can you share your screen? I will
Yeah,
multiple
yeah.
share. Yeah, here you are. And let me come out of this. Welcome, Django.
Hold on. Let me share my screen. How do I? Okay, how do I go to Zoom for that? Okay, this Zoom is what you're sharing screen. Then I can share or share screen. You have to empower me to share screen. Correct.
I put multiple users can share so that you'll be able to share your screen now.
How do I do that? I'm on that place where it the share screen, but that is grayed out.
Click on this share screen. Okay, I'll stop sharing. Try now. It will give you some more clarity. Do you see a share screen here in the
Yeah, yeah.
bottom?
I see a share. I see a share screen. It is
Click on.
there. I clicked on it. It is still grayed out. Maybe. Oh, I don't know. How do I do that?
And then choose screens. This one, entire screen.
Yeah, that I know. See, I've
Hmm.
done this Zoom before. I did some. Okay,
And,
meetings, scheduler, whiteboard, more, home. In the home, I have the share screen.
hmm.
Oh, it should be here, right? My bad. I was looking in the wrong place. Okay. Screen. Screen. I'm going to say the
Share
full
screen.
screen. I press share.
It's coming
I'm
through.
yeah, it's coming up. Okay.
Yeah,
Now
yeah, you can
I
see.
have to go to that my this one here. This is where I was checking Django folder. This one, right?
No. This is not the that's the
Oh, skill everything. No, yeah, my bad. Okay.
no. Just
Hmm,
hold on.
hmm,
Here, this is just
hmm.
the slides. Okay.
Yeah, this is what I thought I have to check. Okay.
So
Uh,
let's log in. I would like you to log in. Go to the browser, type in Skillanything and log in. Let's see.
okay, skill. This wrong password. I don't know what's the password. I once did a forgot password, but
Note down.
username only. I have a username alone. Let me see that.
Hmm. Or you can put, no,
Maybe
don't.
I
You
think.
forgot password. I'll stop the recording. You can just recording now. So go to, no, self-learning. Click on that self-learning above on the menu, way on the top. Yeah. From there, go to, what are the options you're seeing? Is there one for data science? Yeah, data science is there under classes, no? Data science.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Click on that. So here, Django. Yeah. So this.
Hmm.
So here is where he should have added, but do you
Hmm.
see that? Uh, Click on.
How do I?
Uh, let's see. Click on the first one, very first one. Let's. Uh, uh, go to the same content. Go back one level.
How do I go back? Click on
Sorry.
this
Uh,
one, Django
click
framework.
click on the bootcamp or on the navigator on the right. No. Here, click on that. Yeah. Go down to, and you will see the recording typically. Go to the
He is
first
not
one.
yet put it here. Maybe
Yeah,
that's
this
what
is
it is,
where
right?
is good. No, but click on the first. Yeah, click there. Let's see. It will show lesson one, lesson two, like that. Scroll down at the bottom. Go to the bottom. Do you see anywhere the recording?
Let me check.
At the bottom only it appears. Below that yellow take quiz, what is it showing?
Object oriented previous lesson, next lesson, inheritance.
Oh, that's not the one.
Hmm.
Recording will show up here quickly.
Is it automatic or they have to do it manually? Like do
This
some
is
sort.
manually linked. So
Oh, okay, okay.
yes, put this, but hold on. Go to see the right navigator, right side. Scroll up. Wait. GitHub. Okay. PyCharm ID. Yeah, go way up. Actually, the other one, it had one. Recordings, lessons, it will show. Come back one level.
Live sessions. Should I go live sessions?
Not exactly. Um, No, it shows right here only. For you, this will show up here. Below, one recordings will be there.
Hmm.
Uh,
And this is only for me. It's not like somebody else can use it. No, right?
this recording will be accessible to you. Yeah, only for you.
Okay, okay.
So I will get that checked. Okay.
Hmm.
Because from here, even where it is at the moment, I will have to just because the recordings will come up there. Do you see any?
Oh, membership. Webinar. No, but I don't see it. No problem,
Against
Aji.
that,
It's not
because
like I'm starving. You let him put it and I'll look into it. No problem.
see, against the whatever we just saw there, no,
Hmm.
the contents was there.
Hmm.
At the bottom, the recordings will show.
Show up, right? Okay.
Uh,
Maybe there'll be a small icon on recording also, right? It will be
that's how
self-evident.
it will show. I just helped one guy to the Pythonista program.
Hmm.
Just almost is finished. So I helped him locate that. That's
Hmm.
I noticed. Uh,
Pythonista, it's called Pythonista.
Python
Hmm.
the Python program.
Okay.
There are two programs. The Pythonista is having few students and they are finishing. So last week only I helped them log in like this, and he was able to see lesson 1, 2 like that below. Um, to come back and click where you just clicked earlier, Django, right?
Want me to go there?
Uh,
Live sessions or self-learning? Where you
Self-learning,
want?
data science.
Data.
Uh,
Django.
Django. So here, are you
Below
seeing?
are the recordings of the instructor led.
It's
It
showing
says here.
class. It's there, right?
Yeah,
Class
I missed it.
recording. No. Don't click on that one. Go back.
I didn't click anything. It just pulled this page. That's all.
Okay, scroll down. I'm seeing only a very zoomed up one. Scroll down.
Even if I scroll down, zoom out, I don't see anything.
Go back one level. Below the recordings, you saw that, no? Just go back.
Says Pythonista.
Click on the back arrow. Probably that level. Back browser. I mean, before it came here, below the recordings, no?
Yeah, I'll just go back there.
Or navigate path, self-learning,
Self-learning,
data science,
data science. I go to Django framework. Then here,
That's the recordings. Yeah, this is supposed to be the recordings.
yeah, if I, it's all one link only. I'll open it in a new tab.
No, not that link only took you back earlier.
Yeah, it took me here.
Not this one. Just a moment. Let each of these module will show up recording. At least go click on the object oriented. Under that, you're not seeing anything. Or even last.
No, hold on. It just goes to this place only. Let me just hold on. I will just.
Where it is supposed to show like that, the recordings, it will. Not that one. You have to click against each of that 1, 2, 3, 4. It's appearing, no? See, lessons.
Right click, open a new tab.
Right click. Click on that lessons link itself. One, and then it's showing object oriented, no? Click on that yellow. Yeah, click there.
Yeah.
Not right click. Click directly.
So that I did that just to ensure that mark as completed.
No, the recording under
It's
each
not
of
showing
them.
recording. No,
Or
if I click
go
that,
back.
it is going here. It's cross launching.
Click on the first one under the first chapter. First, yeah, click that yellow. Yeah, click on that. Okay, and you scroll down. The recordings will be seen typically at the bottom. Here,
quiz.
the recordings.
Recordings are not there, Ajay. I think so.
Oh, okay. I will.
Next, no problem, no hurry. But I didn't know that I have to come here. I was checking in that space. So this is like your simply learn emeritus.
Each of this class has this content. You saw that one object-oriented one had 5 units, right? See, on the right side, he's got navigation or something like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 was there, right? So go one level up on that Django bootcamp and the link there. One level up.
How do I
There,
go?
below the yellow Django bootcamp banner, it's pointing there. You can click, I think. One level up.
No, I think it is not highlighting.
What is it showing on the right side?
Showing a search. I'll
So
just go back. Use a
where we
browser
saw
only.
this 1, 2,
Yeah,
3,
it is
4.
there here actually. It is there here. Go back to bootcamp. It is there.
That one. Each of that will show one recording. That's when you click, it will show.
Mm-hmm.
The class recordings. I will check.
Mm-hmm.
Probably is not put under object-oriented
Yeah.
programming concepts. All this will be one recording, right? Or one or multiple recordings. So there it will be lesson 1, lesson 1.1, 1.2, and lesson 2
Mm-hmm.
be 2.1, 2.2, like that. Okay.
Okay.
So probably it's not linked it. Okay. I
Okay.
talk to them.
Okay. No issues.
And definitely you will have it at least in a day or two. Okay.
No problem. Yeah.
Right. So
Anyway,
Monday.
I've made full notes. I have made full notes here,
Oh,
so I don't think I will have a. Where is it? I have made full
uh,
notes
definitely recordings are available. I will
available, right?
ask him if
Okay.
he'll put it there, including this session, and
Okay.
then he normally informs me. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
I will check with him. Okay. I'll message you after that. Okay.
No problem. No problem, Aji. Okay.
Okay.
Super, Aji.
Yeah. Okay. Take care, Prabhu. Yeah.
Yeah. Bye. Take care. Bye.
Hope you have a nice weekend. Yeah.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
You too. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you.
Whatever list started already for you.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye. Take care.
Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.